Leveling up fast in Kingsroad isn't just grinding blindly, it's about working smart. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily level up fast on Game of Thrones Kingsroad. So it's all about working. So first, make sure you focus on completing main story quests because they give the most XP and unlock new areas. Side quests are nice, but they usually give much less XP per stamina. Next, always make sure your stamina never caps out. Farm stages that give the biggest XP per stamina point, that way every run counts. Don't waste stamina on stages that barely use reward. Another trick is to simply join an active alliance. Alliance perks often give extra XP and participating in alliance events can boost your level faster. Don't forget to upgrade your heroes regularly. Stronger heroes can clear quests faster, which saves time and stamina. Focus on leveling your core team first before touching weaker units. And that's it, super simple and easy. Finally, make sure to log in daily and complete timed events. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.